Mphethu Bhuti lapho igame namhlanje kule kanjani?
Bafethu into ipakethe namhlanje from 3-0. Bafethu udlalile. Akumele sisikhala 16. Amaphelele win and lose. So ngijabule into leyo.
Thank you ngiyabonga bhuti wami. So looking at today's game, who was the standout player for you? Mangathiwa nje khetha man of the match bongayinika bani?
Police.
Oshona Police.
Cha.
Thank you ngiyabonga bhuti wami. So your words of encouragement to Uyanela Mbuthuma missing the last penalty. Ungathini kuMbuthuma?
Mbuthuma mfethu semncane mfethu. Osasifundisa yafika phakathi. Akasidisa mfethu. Akumele simplay mfethu. Amaphelele phela. Win and lose aphelele mfethu. Abafana badlalile.
What do you think of the opponents? Do you think they made it fair according to game plan yayo to Orlando Pirates?
Namhlanje beplay namhlanje. Inxa ukuthi ngile besingazi badlala kanjani. Yebo badlala kahle phela. Besingayiboni. Bayenza ukuhleba babo. Asibonanga nini. But namhlanje ngicela ukuthi siyibonile igame yakho.
Ngiyabonga bhuti wami. Umbuzo wami wogcina kuwe what would your word of encouragement be to the Orlando Pirates going forward? We have a game on Tuesday. Carling Black Label Cup against the Marquez. We still have the league, and then there's also the Nedbank Cup, which is going to come next year.
Into Marquez, so share Marquez. So keep it so Marquez lapha.
Thank you, ngiyabonga bafethu. This is Tosh from PSL Pulse Bafethu Football runs in our veins. Thank you.